Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zaki Saleh Zulhikam. I'm from school SMA Madani and class 11-1. In this video, I will show you how to pump a bicycle tire using a manual pump. The goal is to pump a flat bicycle tire. Okay. Next, the material are first itu a manual pump atau pompa manual. Kemudian a flat bicycle tire yaitu ban sepeda yang komplit seperti dia. Dan a valve cap bagian penutup. Di bagian step, the first prepare the manual pump and the flat tire, then open the valve cap from the tire. Okay. Next, attach the pump nozzle to the valve tightly. Handy. After that, pump the handle up and down. Okay. Continue pumping until the tire is hard enough. Okay. Then remove the pump from the careful. Finally, close the valve cap again. Okay. Support. Okay, now the tire is ready to use. The tire is not flat anymore. Okay, thank you for watching.